Hello guys, I'm Sudarshan Koirala and welcome back to Data Science Basics. This is the video number 9 in the Claude AI series, and in this video I'm going to talk about how memory works in Claude AI, right? This is the free version of the Claude where it has no idea because each chat way starts fresh. I haven't enabled memory, and in the pro version of the Claude I have the memory enabled, and you can see it goes and find the conversation from the past conversations. I will show you the difference between the free and the pro version of the Claude. I will be showing you how to import the memory from ChatGPT, where you can see I'm asking the question in English and it is replying me in Nepali language. We will be importing the memory from here, and the prompt is already being provided by Claude team themselves. I will be showing you mainly two things: showing you how memory works in the free and the pro version, and importing the memory from ChatGPT to the Claude. Now let's go into the first part. This is the free version of Claude AI, and as I am mentioning here, there is no memory enabled. How to enable the memory, right? You need to go to your name here, go to the settings icon here, go to this capabilities, and on the top here there is the memory. Generate memory from chat history. The difference here, in the free version there is just one way you can generate memory from the chat history one. It allows the Claude to remember relevant context from your chats. This setting controls memory for both charts and the projects. You can just go here and enable this, and now you can see once this is enabled, what does Claude know about you? Not much yet, right? After more chats you will see what Claude knows about you here, because now I just enabled this in this conversation, so there is nothing more that we can do from here. But if you want to know the difference between this free and the pro, now I will go to this pro version and I will again go to the same place, settings. In these capabilities I have already enabled, as I said. Here is another thing, that is sorts and reference the chats. That is where the Claude will sort for relevant details from my past conversation. When I was asking something, it went to my past conversation and provided me the answer. That is not in the free version. This is the comparison for you so that you know what is in the free version and what is not in the free version. But this importing memory part is in free as well as in the pro version, right? Now I will again go to this free version. I have enabled here, right? But if you want to know more, here is this link provided. From here you can read everything. It says use Claude's chat here, search and memory to build on previous context. You can see here it is updated today, so this is updated frequently. Also you can go here and see what is available here. The search past chats with the Claude, this is not in the free version. This is mentioned here. If you scroll down, it will show you what sort of questions you can ask, from where you can enable this. That is where I just went here. And now if you go down, it will explain you what is Claude's memory, and that works for the free also. If you want to go down here, you can pause the memory and set the memory. Now if you go a little bit down, there are some relevant links about importing and exporting your memory from the Claude. I will be showing you how to import the memory, but you already know that there is also the thing where you can export the memory also. Now I enable this one. Nothing happened as of now. If I go to this new chat here, and if I say here what was my past conversation, it will still maybe not know that, okay, I don't have access to your past conversations, my memory only captures a specific fact. Why this does not know is because it builds up the memory, but it does not have the sorting functionalities from these past conversations. But once you interact with the Claude, it will then understand or summarize all your past conversations and know how you interact with Claude and so on. That is really helpful if you enable that functionality. This is how the memory works in the free and the pro version of the Claude. Now the most important part, I think that is what you saw in the thumbnail also, how to import the the memory from other, let's say ChatGPT, into Claude AI in less than a minute, right? Go to the settings again, go to this import these capabilities, and here there is import memory from other AI providers. Click this start import, and now here is the prompt that I mentioned before. Just copy this one. Now I need to go to ChatGPT. I will go to ChatGPT, and now I can paste it in the chat interface itself. But one thing that you need to be taking care here is that the memory in ChatGPT need to be enabled. For that, you need to go to this personalization, go down here, and there is this memory section, and here this needs to be on. If there is the memory enabled or not, you can click this manage icon here. From here you can see there is two different memory that is being saved. I saved this just for this demonstration purpose. If you want to learn more, you can go through this learn more tab here. Also there is this free and the pro subscription. You can click this and read from here. If you go down, there is this information mentioned somewhere here. Saved memories and chat history are available to plus and pro accounts, and free accounts are limited to just the saved memory. But if you don't have any memory, what you can even do is you can just open one of the chat, and here what I'm mentioning is I want you to answer me in Nepali rather than English. Save this to memory. Whatever you want to mention, you can directly go into the chat interface and ask it to save into memory. This is saved into memory, right? I want brief answers with some emoji whenever necessary. Save this to memory. These are the memory it is being saved. You can delete this if you don't want, because when you import the memory, make sure you are importing the ones that you want to be imported to the chat GPT. If you don't want some of the memory to be enabled, you can just delete from here, right? Now let me go directly to the chat again. Here I have already pasted the things which it needs to extract. I will just send it to ChatGPT. Now what I will do is I will just copy the answer that I get, or the response that I get from here. It says working, and it should provide me the memory. Okay, these are the instructions which I saved here, right? And it is preferred as Sudarshan and role as senior Gen AI engineer. What I need to do now is just go here and copy the responses. Now I will go to this Claude AI and I will paste the memory here. That's it. And now I will add to the memory. I am now updating memory from ChatGPT to the Claude AI, right? This is how the importing memory things work. Now it is updating. Once this is updated, now if I ask the question in the Claude AI itself, it should be providing me the answer in Nepali. So you can see here are the instructions, right? It says see what Claude learned about you. You can just click here and it will say, okay, what did it learn? It will provide us the, okay, तपाईँको मेमोरीमा अहिले यी कुराहरू छन्. It already provided me in Nepali. You are a senior Gen AI engineer. नेपाली भाषामा जवाफ पाउन रुचाउनुहुन्छ. I prefer Nepali language. छोटो जवाफ means short answers with emoji in it. बस यति नै थप केही साझा गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ. It's asking me the question, right? You see that the memory is being updated now. Once you update the memory, if you go again to the settings, and if you go to these capabilities again, now you can see here now the memory from your chats is enabled, right? Before it was blank. It says it will be updated as you ask questions in it. You can delete this from here. If I click this one, it will take me to the same place where it was mentioned, and I can manage the edits from here. You can delete this one and clear the edits. This is one place where you can go and look what memory you have, and click this edit, tell Claude what to remember. So you can directly provide from here to the Claude also. Okay, you can even pause or reset the memory. If you see here, toggle this off, it will ask you either you want to pause the memory, which says Claude keeps its existing memory but won't use memory or make new memories, or you can go here and reset the memory. This will permanently delete all the memories, including the project memories. It's not only the one that is being imported, but it will be all reset. Just think about it, which one you want to do if you are going to turn off the memory. But I'm going to cancel this for now. The memory is being imported. I will just say hello. Now it should answer me in Nepali. Let's see if it answers or not, because I imported that memory. It's going through. Namaste Sudarshan. It means that, hello Sudarshan, how are you? How can I help you? The same message was in English before, and now that is in Nepalese language. This is how you can import the memory from other AI providers into this. In this case, we imported from ChatGPT to Claude AI. As I said, you can go there and edit all this memory and so on. So this is all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you know how the memory works in Claude AI and how you can import the memory from other providers with the prompt that is already being provided by Claude AI itself. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.